Hello Year 5. We're going to start today's lesson with our recap of previous learning. So we've got a question from last lesson, last week, last term and last year. So pause the video here and have a go at these 4 questions. Off you go. Okay, let's go through the answers then. So last lesson, what was the remainder? The remainder was 4. Last week, 6,273 divided by 3 equals 2,091. The symbol you should have had here was less than, because this Roman numeral here symbolises 2017, and these place value counters here show 21,211. And let's look at the time question. So the time is 10:15. This can also be written as 15 minutes past 10. The digital time is 10:15. So let's start with our learning for today. We are finishing our lessons on short division today. So we're going to be consolidating what we've learned over the last few weeks. And again, today we're going to be working with remainders. So let's have a look at this question together first of all. So I've got my formal written method and I've got my place value counters to start us off today, so we can see what we're doing at each step. So we've got 1,263 divided by 6. So 6 is my divisor. I'm putting each of these columns into 6s, groups of 6. So let's make a start. So you can see already, can't you, that I've only got 1 in my thousands. I can't make a group of 6 with 1. So I need to put a 0 there. And I need to exchange that 1,000 for 10 hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I just write that on my formal method as well. So I put 10 extra in. So I've got 12 hundreds. Let's see how many 6s we can make. Now, if you know your 6 times table, you can shout out at the screen to me how many groups we're going to make. So there's one group of 6, and there is another group of 6. That's it. I don't have any left over. I have got 2 complete groups of 6, because 2 times 6 is 12, isn't it? So let's have a look at my 10s. I've got 6 in my 10s. So that's nice, isn't it? I can make 1 group of 6. Now, let's have a look at my 1s. I've only got 3, so I can't make a group of 6 out of 3. But I can't exchange them either, because I'm at the end of my calculation. I'm at the end of my number. So I've got 3 left over. I put a 0 here because I can't make any groups, and 3 is my remainder. So 1,263 divided by 6 equals 210, remainder 3. Okay, let's do one more together. This time I don't have my place value counters. I've just got my formal written method. So let's have a go just by doing it like this. If you need some help with your times tables, you did have a times tables grid go home in your packs that you picked up last week. Or what you could do is write out your times table to help you. So I know here that my divisor is 4. So I've got 8,567 divided by 4. So it's my 4 times tables that's going to help me. So what I might do first of all is just write it down here. If I'm not secure with it in my head, to do it mentally, let's write it out here. So all I need to keep doing is adding on 4 each time. That's my 4 times table. So we've got 24, 28, 32, and that might be as far as we need to go. So let's have a look. How many 4s then make 8? Can I get from 8? So I can see already that 8 is in my 4 times table 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. So I put a 2 up here. Okay, let's look at the hundreds now. So I've got 5 in my hundreds. How many 4s can I make from 5? Well, I can make one group of 4, but 2 groups of 4 is 8, and that's too many. So I can only make one group of 4. So 1 4 is 4, but I've got 5 in my hundreds, so how many would be left over? How many do I need to exchange? That's right, it's just 1, isn't it? So I need to exchange my 1 into my tens. So now I've got 16 tens. Now, because I know my times tables, I know that 16 is a multiple of 4. So how many 4s make 16? That's right, it's 4, isn't it? 4 times 4 is 16. And then finally, I'm into my 1s. So I've got 7. So how many 4s can I make out of 7? Well, I can make one group of 4, but 2 groups of 4 is 8, and that's too many. So I can only make one complete group of 4. 1 times 4 is 4, but I've got 7. So how many have I got left over? Well done. I've got 3 remainders. So my answer is 2,141, remainder 3. Right, here's your work for today. So we've got your do it's and your twist it. And again, I'd like you to ape your twist it, please. And for your secure it, we've got some word problems today. So just read them carefully, have a think about what the question's asking you, and have a go at those, and we'll go over the answers in the afternoon Zoom session. Okay, enjoy your day, everybody, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.